Imagine starting your morning with a plate of warm, golden eggs, thinking you're fueling your body with one of nature's healthiest foods. But what if I told you that the way you? Shocked? Eggs have long been revered as a symbol of strength, vitality, and longevity. But beneath their refreshing exterior lies an important truth that many seniors overlook. Simple mistakes when cooking, selecting, or even eating eggs can silently sabotage your heart, muscles, and overall energy. Today, we'll unpack common egg-related habits that could be putting your health at risk, and more importantly, I'll show you how to turn every egg you eat into a powerful ally for your strength, mobility, and longevity. So grab your favorite seat, settle in, and let's explore the truth about eggs and how you can avoid these potential health pitfalls for a healthier body. Imagine starting your morning with a plate of warm, golden eggs, thinking you're fueling your body with one of nature's healthiest foods. But what if I told you that the way you? Shocked? Eggs have long been revered as a symbol of strength, vitality, and longevity. But beneath their refreshing exterior lies an important truth that many seniors overlook. Simple mistakes when cooking, selecting, or even eating eggs can silently sabotage your heart, muscles, and overall energy. Today, we'll unpack common egg-related habits that could be putting your health at risk, and more importantly, I'll show you how to turn every egg you eat into a powerful ally for your strength, mobility, and longevity. So grab your favorite seat, settle in, and let's explore the truth about eggs and how you can avoid these potential health pitfalls for a healthier body. Mistake number 2. Frying eggs in unhealthy oils. The sizzle of fried eggs in a pan, it's a familiar sound. But the oil you choose can make or break your health. Many people, without realizing it, reach for cheap, highly processed vegetable oils like soybean, corn, or canola. Here's the problem. These oils are high in unstable omega-6 fatty acids that become toxic when exposed to high temperatures. When fried at high temperatures, these oils oxidize, creating chronic inflammation throughout inflamed blood vessels. Worse yet, even trans fat-free vegetable oils can legally contain small amounts of trans fats. The solution? Switch to heat-stable, anti-inflammatory cooking fats. Use extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, ghee, real butter. These fats keep. Or better yet, skip the frying every once in a while. Try poached, boiled, or even scrambled eggs for a healthier, more nutritious treat. Remember, it's not just the egg. It's how you cook it that matters. Mistake number 3. If you've been avoiding egg yolks because you're afraid of cholesterol, the yolk is the most nutritious part of the egg. It contains vitamins for strong bones, choline for brain and memory support, vitamin B12 for energy and red blood cell health, and lutein and zeaxanthin to protect your aging eyes from macular degeneration. Throw the yolk. And here's an important fact. For most people, eating egg yolks. In fact, many studies show that eating whole eggs can improve your cholesterol levels, raising protective levels of HDL, good cholesterol, while having little effect on LDL, bad cholesterol. As we age, we need all the help we can get to maintain strong muscles, sharp minds, and resilient immune systems. Eat the whole egg, yolks and all. The solution? Unless you have a rare, specific medical condition that requires you to avoid cholesterol, eat the whole egg. Enjoy the yolk with pride. Mistake number 4. Relying on processed egg products. Liquid eggs from a carton, frozen egg tarts, long-lasting egg mixes, these convenience products may seem like a healthy shortcut. But for seniors, they can secretly sabotage your health goals. Chemical preservatives, like sodium benzoate, irritate your gut lining and promote extra sodium, which can spike your blood pressure. Artificial colorings and flavorings are bad for your liver and kidneys. Lack of nutrients because the yolk is often removed or chemically altered. And processed eggs are often served alongside ultra-processed, high-sodium foods like bacon, sausage, and cheese sauce, turning what could be a healthy meal into a solution. Use real, whole eggs. If convenience is key, batch cook by boiling a dozen eggs once a week and keeping them. If you must buy pre-made eggs, choose ones labeled 100% egg with no additives and always check the ingredient list. Whole, natural eggs are simple, pure, and powerful, exactly the fuel your body needs to thrive. How seniors should eat eggs to protect their health. Cook eggs gently over moderate heat. The goal is to preserve eggs. Instead of burning them with high heat, a gentler method. Boil eggs until the yolk is still slightly runny, retaining maximum vitamin content. Boil them thoroughly, keeping the cooking time to about 9 to 10 minutes to avoid overcooking. Gently whisk or boil eggs over low to medium heat. This simple change protects your body's vital nutrients. Use healthy, heat-stable cooking fats. Drop nutrient-rich, heat-stable options like extra virgin olive oil, full of love. Avocado, rich in anti-inflammatory monounsaturated fats. Avocado happy smiley, a traditional heat-stable fat and high in fat. These oils not only protect. Always eat the whole egg. Forget outdated advice. Egg yolks are a powerhouse of nutrients, bone-building vitamin D, choline, and lutein. Eating whole eggs provides your body with a balanced diet of high-quality, healthy protein and essential micronutrients, supporting strong, lean muscles. Choose whole, natural eggs over processed eggs. Whenever possible, stick to fresh. Jump. Natural eggs. If convenience benefits are important, consider pre-boiling a batch of eggs at home each week, making it easy to have a nutritious snack or a quick breakfast without the potential health risks. Final thoughts, small changes, big rewards. Eggs have been a part of our diets for centuries, and for good reason. They're a compact, powerful source of. For seniors, making small but smart changes, like choosing whole eggs, cooking lightly, and using healthy oils, can mean the difference between fragile health and longevity. Remember, it's not just about adding years to your life. It's about adding life to your years, stronger bones, sharper minds. And the good news? It's never too late. Even a few conscious tweaks today. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today. Your commitment to learning and improving your health is truly inspiring. If you found this guide helpful, please consider supporting us by sharing it with a friend or family member who might also benefit.